Hello, hi, it's me again, and this is another route for Isleworth. So now we are starting from Isleworth Test Center. I'm just getting out of the test center and turning left because there's nothing on the right hand side apart from some offices, and that's it. So we are going to turn left. Make sure you stop at the stopping line, then move slowly because your view is blocked by these parked cars. And now at the end of the road, you're stopping at the stopping line again and turning right. So make sure you position your car more towards the right of your lane. Check both sides and then turn right with the signal. So this road is all 20 speed limit, and we carry on. As you can see, there are lots of humps, and we carry on ahead to the end of the road. So Isleworth Test Center has a very high passing rate. A lot of people love Isleworth Test Center, and because the area is not too difficult, but again I would say it all depends on your driving. This guy just overtook me. I mean, come on, we were driving 20, but see, you will get some impatient driver. So don't worry about it and carry on. So you're getting close to the end of the road. Another hump. Keep going. So there you can see the traffic light. From the traffic light, I'm gonna turn right. So I'm gonna stop in the right hand lane because this lane split into two, and now you can see I'm in the right turning lane. So from here I'm gonna turn right, and as soon as I turn right, the speed limit is 30. Let's turn right. It's a very long road, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fast forward this video a little bit so it doesn't take too much of your time, but carry on ahead. Make sure you look at the arrows on the road and keep following them if you're going ahead. Now you're approaching a roundabout. On this roundabout, I'm gonna take the second exit ahead, so I'm gonna stick to the left lane and keep checking to the right, and only go if it's clear, completely clear. And whenever you move off on a roundabout, make sure you move off fast, because obviously you have to get away from the right coming cars if there are any. Even if they are far away, make sure you move off quickly. And now I'm going to signal left and taking this left, this first exit ahead. And can you see this is a 20 road again? So carry on ahead. It's quite a long road. So yes, carry on, and you can see there are lots of hazards. So remember one thing, when you drive, make sure that you drive as you are driving in a hazard perception. So you are going to get a lot of hazards because this is real life, and you know, there are people who make mistakes. So now you stick to the left lane because we carry on ahead, and it's a bend. So never signal for a bend because it's the part of the same road. And then we still carry on. This bus lane on the left is a active bus lane, which is active at any time. So you're not taking that bus lane at all. And just carry on. Either their bus lanes, most of the bus lanes are active at any time, or they're active between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So now we are gonna move over to the left lane, but just stop here because as you can see, those cars are half in our lane and we don't want to squeeze in. So never squeeze in. Take it completely easy, relax, don't rush into anything, let them go, because if they do make a mistake, it's going to be more hard for you to deal with that mistake, and you could get a serious mistake if you're impatient and the examiner have to brake because of you. So sorry. So carry on ahead. Also, another thing I would suggest that you talk to yourself, give yourself some instruction. Like for example, I'm doing at the moment, like this car is stopping, it's turning right, so I'm gonna stay back, make sure you can see their tires fully. The car have turned, now carry on ahead. I mean, come on, you are gonna look a little crazy, but who cares? The examiner's so used to it. This is a normal thing for them. People try different methods to just keep themselves calm, and trust me, the more relaxed you are, when you talk to yourself, you will automatically be more relaxed. So carry on ahead, just follow the road which is going ahead, follow your lane. So you can see it's another bend and it's a high street, so carry on, just follow the road ahead. Look, you have a bus ahead of you and keep stopping. So when you have a bus in front of you, make sure that you keep a good eye on the bus and be careful that, of course, you know there will be a bus stop with a small gap of distance. I mean, not too big, it's not going to be a big distance between the bus stops. So you have to be very careful because bus is going to brake and bus is going to stop on the side. And also make sure if there is a bus already stopping there and it's signaling to move off, make sure you stop for the bus because the bus has priority. Okay, and now this was your hazard, this big garbage truck. Carry on ahead. This is the high street, and obviously it's going to be quite busy. Now you see the bus stopping there, but it was not moving off, so we overtook the bus. And I am fast forwarding this video because it's like literally it's too long, otherwise you're gonna keep watching this video for 30 minutes or so. But this road is all 20, so carry on ahead. And now I'm gonna turn into the next road on the right, and yes, it's again 20. Remember, most of the roads on the side roads are 20, so even if some of the roads are 30, be careful before you get to the 30 speed that how the traffic look like, how many cars are parked on the left and right, and is it suitable for you to drive a 30 speed limit or not. Judge everything. So yeah, here we are, we keep moving ahead. And zebra crossing, and this guy overtook me. I was driving 20 perfectly fine for this road, this is a 20 road, speed limit road, but I mean, you are gonna get this kind of people who are gonna overtake you during your test as well, and trying to make it difficult for other people. But you know what you have to do? Ignore them. Unless you are not disturbing someone, just ignore them, because there's no point getting upset or getting like nervous because somebody overtook you wrong. It's gone. Don't think too much about those kind of people. So make sure your distance from the left parked car is good. It should be a meter, so if you open the door or they open the door, it's not gonna hit your car. Carry on. So obviously, if it's a road like nobody can overtake you, just stick to the middle of the road. If there is no space for two cars, just stick to the middle of the road and carry on. And If somebody's coming from ahead, make sure that you stay back. It depends on the person if they are stopping or not. Sometimes you see a lot of nice people who are willing to give way, but a lot of time, seriously, people don't give way, and you can't do anything about it. It's just them. It's their way of living. It's their way of thinking. They think it's a learner coming. Oh my God, let me just quickly go. I don't want to stay behind the learner, or I don't want to give way to the learner. So here, this was a slip road, and not slip road, sorry, a side road, and I'm just gonna turn right into the main road. So here I'm gonna turn right, and I'm gonna stop at the stopping line because this traffic is quite heavy. I can only turn left, as you can see the arrow ahead of you, and it's a heavy traffic coming from the right hand side. The speed limit is 40 on this road, so I have to be very, very careful. Make sure you check properly. Is there enough time for you to go safely? Because it's better safe than sorry. You don't want to just jump in. You need to remember one thing. This kind of thing, the examiner won't fail you for hesitation on here, as of course the examiner don't want to die. Come on, nobody want to die. We don't want to get into an accident. So this is a roundabout, and now I am going to take the 4th exit back. So I'm gonna stick to the very right hand lane. So that was the 3rd exit. Ahead of me, that is a 3rd exit. So remember one thing, it's the same technique for every roundabout. Before your exit, you need to try to move to the far left lane. That is gonna be the easiest for you. So see, now I'm gonna start moving slowly to the left hand side with a signal. Make sure you check your left mirror. So yes, it was yellow and I was in the speed, so I literally just moved here, as you saw. The reason was I had a van behind me, and if I did stop, he could hit me. So in that case, you go over yellow amber light. So now we have another roundabout ahead of us, and I'm just gonna take the 2nd exit ahead. I'm gonna stick to the left lane because the left lane was going left and ahead as well. And make sure you check your lane marking, so you don't want to go out of your lane marking. And again, we are gonna quickly go to the next roundabout and take the 1st exit left, because now we want to get back to our test center. As you saw, I show you a couple of new roads on this in this video today, and you can check the other videos for Isleworth test routes as well. They're quite handy. Remember, the route are never 100%. It's just an idea to show you what's around, what kind of roads are around the test center. That's it. So yeah, this road is gonna be 30 speed limit. So I'm just gonna speed the video up a little bit and rush. I try to make my video as easy as possible, so it's not too difficult for you guys. Make sure if you're going ahead, follow your lane which is going ahead. So yeah, as you can see now, I'm in the right hand lane. The left lane was left turning only, which is going towards the TK Maxx, one of my favorite shops. So at the moment we are not going TK Maxx. No. So we carry on ahead from this traffic light. I'm gonna turn left, and that is the road where we have our test center, Isleworth Test Center. Yes, and you can see it's a 20 speed limit. You carry on ahead. So yeah, this was another route of Isleworth Test Center, and I hope these videos are gonna help you. If they do, please leave us a comment below. Let us know. Make sure you hit the like button as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let us know what else you want to see. Do you want us to cover anything else? And we'll do that. If you have any question, please feel free to write any, do any comment below in the comment section, and I'm gonna reply to you as soon as possible. So I'm quite fast with replying. Don't worry. And that's it. So that's our test center, and we are gonna turn left. This is Fleming Way. So yeah, this is again 20, and our test center is on the right hand side, but we are not gonna get into the test center as we are not allowed to do that. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Good luck for your test. Take care.